The way that Excel plots my data is sometimes not the way that I want it plotted. For example, on the bottom horizontal axis, I can see sales, expenses and profit. And in my legend, I can see the years 2011, 2012 and 2010. I may wish to switch the legend and the horizontal axis. To do this, in the ribbon, go to the Chart Tools Design tab. Here you have a button to switch the rows and columns. If this button is lit up, I would just click it, but sometimes the button isn't lit up, and how you get around this is to click the Select Data button. If I click the Select Data button, I can see the range that Excel thinks it's plotting. Now for some reason this range has got lost, so I need to re-establish this range. If I hit this red arrow here, I can then go off to the sheet called Chart and highlight the range A1 to D4, and then hit the little red button to return to that window. I can see my legend are the years, and my horizontal axis is sales, expenses, profit. And if I click OK, this is what appears in my chart. Now I can click the Switch Row Column button and switch the legend and the horizontal axis just by clicking this button once. Now I have the years across the bottom, and I have sales, expenses and profit in my legend. If I was to click this button again, Switch Row Column, I'll switch the legend and the horizontal axis back the way they were.